Introducing the Vancasso Sabine Canister Sets for kitchen counter, the perfect solution for all your storage needs. With its 80 ounces capacity, this ceramic food storage jar is spacious enough to hold your coffee, sugar, tea, flour, and spices, keeping them fresh and organized. Crafted with high-quality terracotta, these canisters are built to last. Unlike plastic or glass containers, they are resistant to cracking and molding, ensuring durability over time. The bamboo wood lids, complete with an environmentally friendly sealing rubber ring, provide an airtight seal, keeping your ingredients dry and fresh for longer. The wide mouth design of these canisters allows for easy access. Simply tighten the lid like a screw to remove any excess air, ensuring a better seal. The smooth glaze makes cleaning a breeze, and the ceramic canisters are even dishwasher safe. Not only are these canisters practical for the kitchen, but they can also be used for bathroom storage or in any other room. The clean and simple design adds a modern touch to your space, while the unique Vancasso speckles give them a stylish flair. At Vancasso, we value our customers' satisfaction. That's why we offer 24-hour online customer support. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Additionally, we provide a refund or replacement for any defective products. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before purchasing, please check compatibility with your destination's outlets and voltage. Don't miss out on the Vancasso Sabine Canister Sets for kitchen counter. Order yours today and enjoy the convenience and elegance they bring to your home.